dears, welcome to Beauty of a Heart. I'm Li-Ling, also known as Lulu. Today's video is about doing an eye makeup look with that previous video, the DIY Dupe that palette Melt Cosmetic BluePrint stack. Initially, I wanted to include this eye makeup look part into that video, but when I was doing the editing, I find that it's too long, so I separated it out. So back then, there wasn't any intro and outro filmed for this eye makeup look, so that's why I'm doing it now. So this is only the reshooting, or rather the shooting of the intro and outro. If you'd like to know how I achieved that eye makeup look, please continue watching, and if you like this video, please consider to subscribe. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Alright dears, this is the eye makeup look and I've already applied the primer. So let's proceed with the makeup. First, I'm going to use this palette Morphe 39A. This is Forever. And use this on the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to apply cut crease. So use the concealer to apply on the eyelid and look up to catch the highest point so that you can carve out the eyelid. Next, I'm using this Juvia's Nubian 2 palette with the color Zuri on the inner corner of the eyes. Next, I'll be using this Saharan palette from Juvia's as well. And pick this color up, Suniga, with my finger and apply on my lid. Alright, next I'll be using this Juvia's Mini Magic, this color over here, the dark blue color, and apply it on the outer corner. Alright dears, I'll go off screen to clean up the area here, apply the eyeliner and also the fake lashes. So see you in a while! Hello dears, I'm back, and now I'm going to apply this Build Your Own palette from Colourpop. There are 24 single new colors. This is the contour slip over at the lower lash line. Going back to the Nubian 2 palette for the color Zuri to touch up the inner corner over here. And also go over to the layer over here to blur out the edge and to soften the lower lash line because the blue is very bright. Alright dears, that's all for the sharing today. Hope you dears like that makeup look created. Last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. A kind gesture can reach a wound. that only compassion can heal.
Oh, please like, share, and subscribe, okay? Must like, share, and subscribe. So that's alright. May you have a peaceful, blissful, and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye. Dun, 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 dun.